Okay, so this video will be a lot shorter. This is for my second and third transaction. Purchased equipment for $10,000, the business paid cash. The first thing you gotta ask yourself, what two things are happening or are impacted by this transaction? So, I know I'm getting equipment and I paid by cash. So I have equipment and cash. What kind of account is equipment? It's asset. I'll put an A for asset this time to speed it up. Cash, you all know that's an asset. Now the question is, if I bought equipment, did it go up or down? Well, I bought it, I have it, so it has to go up. I paid with cash, so I have less cash. Cash went down. Debit or credit? Which one do you debit? Which one do you credit? Pause the video and then check your answer. The increase is easy. Recorded on the same side that it's in this equation. Assets are on the left, so assets increase with a debit. And I'll use the short form, and it was 10,000. Okay, cash went down, so you have to follow the decrease rule. The opposite side that assets appear in the equation is the right side. So these are credits. Okay. Let's do the third one. A customer paid amounts owing $1,000. So for this one, the customer we know is accounts receivable. I'll do AR for short. And they paid. So I know that's cash. So I have cash and accounts receivable. And I'll do AR for short, just to speed it up. Cash and accounts receivable, both assets. A. If the customer paid the business cash, did the business cash go up or down? Well, it went up. But this gets tricky for students sometimes, but the money that the customer owes you drops. It goes down. What they owe you goes down. Increases to accounts are recorded on the same side that it appears in the equation. Assets increase with a debit. So debit. This is an asset. It went down. Here's your rule. Decreases are recorded on the opposite side. Since assets are on the left, the opposite side is the right, and the right is called a credit. Oops. Can you give that a try? There's some application questions. I hope it makes sense. Always go back to those rules and remember, debit is left, credit is right. I hope it works.